Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are practicing sample paper 1 and as of now we have practiced till question number 12 part A, and in my last video I made you write question number 12 part B, which is you seem to have done your homework before coming within double inverted comma. Answer the given question in the light of this statement. Razvi seemed to have a lot of information about tea. What all did he tell? What character trait of his is revealed? Is it essential for children? So this is the question, answer to which we are going to write. Let us begin. So as dear students, we have seen in this story that Razveer had been invited by Pranjal to visit Assam during his summer vacation, and both went there by train. In the train, a lot of discussion regarding tea was also done, as Razveer told Pranjal that about 80 crores of tea are drunk daily all over the world. So it shows that he was very much curious about his homework. He completed his homework, his project before visiting Assam. He gathered a lot of information about Assam. When he was talking to Mr. Barua, he told him a lot about Assam, at which Mr. Barua also said that he had completed his homework before visiting Assam. So what does it show? It shows that how curious Razveer was about his homework, and how about knowing about the place where he was visiting. How curious he was. He gathered all information about Assam. Later, dear students, when they visited there, so he came across a lot of things which were new for him. He gathered a lot of more information there. So all this shows that Razveer is very curious in the story. In the same way, dear students, you children also supposed to be curious about the knowledge. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. So let us write it down. We are going to write answer for 12B. Razveer had been invited to spend it's I given in the chapter, so we are going to write the same spelling. Razveer had been invited to spend summer. Razveer had been invited to spend his summer vacations with his classmate Pranjal. Spend his it is not clear whether summer vacation or vacation, so let us write only vacation. Okay, invited to spend his vacation. Razveer had been invited to spend his vacation in Assam by his friend Pranjal. By his friend, Razveer had been invited to spend his vacation in Assam by his friend Pranjal, whose father was the manager of the tea estate. Whose father was a manager had been invited to spend his vacation in Assam by his friend Pranjal, whose father was a manager of tea state in Assam. Where in Assam? Okay. If we write of a tea state, it would be more appropriate. He was quite excited about the trip. He was quite excited about the trip. He was quite excited about the trip and had gathered considerate amount of relevant information and had gathered a considerable amount of relevant information. Considerable amount of informations. Considerable amount of relevant information. Oh, what I'm writing again. Okay. So Razveer had been invited to spend his vacation in Assam by his friend Pranjal, whose father was a manager of a tea state in Assam. He was quite excited about the trip and had gathered considerable amount of relevant information. That is where tea originated. So that are where tea originated. So he collected many informations which are regarding where tea originated and how it became such a popular beverage and how it became such a popular beverage. Okay, how it became such a popular beverage. Originated from China. He informed that about 80 crore cups of tea. He informed that about 80 crore cups of tea. About 80 crore cups of tea are consumed daily, and that the are consumed daily. 80 crores of cups 80 crores of 80 crores cups of tea are consumed daily, and that the name tea itself has been, and that the name tea itself had been originated from China. Originated from China. originated, we can also here write Chinese language. Chinese language. Okay. He narrated two popular legends about the origin of tea. He narrated the two popular sorry he narrated the two popular legends regarding discovery of tea. Okay, this is the first paragraph. Rajveer had been invited to spend his vacation in Assam by his friend Pranjol, whose father was a manager of a tea estate in Assam. He was quite excited about the trip and had gathered considerable amount of relevant information, that is, where tea originated and how it became such a popular beverage. He informed that about 80 crore cups of tea are consumed daily, and that the name tea itself had been originated from Chinese language. He narrated the two popular legends regarding discovery of tea. Okay, so these are the informations which Rajveer collected about tea before visiting Assam. So it shows that how curious he was about knowledge. So that is why he gathered these informations. So let us finish the answer with conclusion. Okay. In long answer type questions, you must write 2 paragraphs, 2 to 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you give the detailed answer, and in second or third, if it is of 3 paragraph, then conclusion should be given in third paragraph. If it is of 2 paragraphs, then conclusion should be given in second paragraph. Okay, so I am going to rub it and write down the remaining part of this answer. Next paragraph, we are going to write next paragraph. Rajveer exhibits an important value trait. Rajveer exhibits an important value trait. An important value trait. An important value trait. That is the prerequisite to gain knowledge, curiosity. That we can write prerequisites. Prerequisites to gain knowledge, curiosity. Okay, So prerequisite to gain knowledge, curiosity, and eagerness to know. And eagerness to know. And eagerness to know. Moreover, he is not a passive learner. Moreover, he was not a passive learner. Moreover, he was not a passive learner, but is provocative in collecting prior, but in proactive, sorry, but proactive in collecting information, information about the place, which he had to visit, proactive in collecting prior information. We can write here prior, it would be more appropriate. In collecting prior information about the place where he had to visit. To a real experience. Okay. About when you had to visit for a real experience. He likes to do his homework thoroughly before going to a place. He completed, he did, he likes to do, we can write, he likes to do his homework, before he visiting the place about which he wanted to know. He likes to do or finish his homework thoroughly before going to a place. Thoroughly, thoroughly, he wanted to finish his homework thoroughly, thoroughh. Sorry, let me type the spelling. thoroughly, thoroughly means completely. Okay, thoroughly before going to a place. Homework thoroughly before going to a place. Okay. So Rajveer exhibits an important value trait that prerequisite that required to gain knowledge, curiosity, and eagerness to know. Moreover, he was not a passive learner but proactive in collecting prior information about the place where he had to visit for a real experience. He likes to do his homework thoroughly before going to a place. Okay, so let me rub it and finish this answer. Write down the remaining lines. This is something very appreciable. This is something very appreciable. This is something very appreciable, which is something, this is something very appreciable, and children should develop this habit, and children should develop this habit. It's single T in habit, sorry, let me rub it and rewrite. Develop this habit. It is not rabbit. In rabbit there is double P, so it's fine. Okay, habit of finding out about the place, of finding out about the place they are visiting to, about the place they are visiting to. Okay, so this is appreciable quality, and each children must have, you must have these qualities. Okay, they are extremely desirable traits. These are extremely desirable traits for all learners. These are extremely desirable trait for all learners. Okay, so this is something very appreciable, and children should develop this habit of finding out about the place they are visiting to. These are extremely desirable traits for all learners. Okay, so this is all about this answer, dear students, in which we have seen how Razveer was very much curious about knowing the things, taking the prior information about the place where he was going to visit. Okay, so this quality traits we should have. Now after question number 12, we have finished both parts of question number 12. It is of 5 marks. So we are going to write question number 13 now. Question number 13 has also 2 parts and having 5 marks. Okay, and we are supposed to answer in 100 to 120 words in the same way as in question number 12. So let me rub it and write down question number 13. Answer any one of the following. Answer any one of the following in 100 to 120 words. Answer any one of the following in 100 to 120 words. Part A. I am giving you these two questions in homework. These two questions of 13 in homework, long answer type questions. I will discuss answers to these questions in my next video. Okay, so let me write down. Why did the thief briefed? Why did the thief briefed? Why did the thief briefed, or not briefed beta, befriend, sorry, it is befriend, befriend with Anil Why did he steal Anil's money? Why did he steal Anil's money? Why did he steal Anil's money? Why did he come back and put Anil's money back? Why did he come back? Why did he come back and put Anil's money back? Why did the thief befriend with Anil? Why did he steal Anil's money? Why did he come back and put Anil's money back? B. Describe the character sketch of the hack driver. Describe the character sketch of hack driver. Describe the character sketch of hack driver. Okay, so these are two questions which comes under question number 13. Let me show you. Okay, so question number A, why did the thief befriend with Anil? Why did he steal Anil's money? Why did he come back and put Anil's money back? B, describe the character sketch of hack driver. Okay, so these two answers to these questions you will have to write. You can take the screenshot. Either you can take the screenshot or you may pause the video and write them down. Okay, answers to these two questions will be discussed in next video. Okay, so thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.